We divide 352 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 2 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we place here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 352 divided by 5 is 70 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.